Good afternoon, Ohio State. Meteorologist Tyler Sebree here with your Buckeye TV weather update for this pretty cloudy and dreary Wednesday we have out there. It hasn't been too terribly cold, however, though. We're at 35 right now under those cloudy skies. Some haze out there, low clouds to be found because we've got moisture in the atmosphere, and that moisture is going to turn into some snow later today. But for now, cloudy, low clouds. Northwest wind at 6, that's key. The northwest wind shows or signifies that we are behind the cold front, which means we're going to see snow and colder air for the rest of today as opposed to rain and this relatively mild air we've been seeing thus far. Snow, again, will develop this afternoon, probably 3 or 4 o'clock, and spread across most of central Ohio. It'll end around midnight, give or take an hour or two. It'll come down heavy at times as well, especially south of Interstate 71 and Interstate 70. And like I said, temperatures will fall all day long after about 3 o'clock, and they'll fall all tonight and tomorrow morning, and we'll bottom out probably around 12 tonight. But we could even go below 0 one more time for a last winter hurrah tomorrow night into Friday morning. And then we get into a warm-up with more sunshine, and temperatures will respond to that sunshine by being milder this weekend and into next week. Here's our system. Plenty of snow back here in Indiana, Illinois, and Kentucky, all pushing in that general direction. It's a mix between the rain and the snow, and that's going to fill in across central Ohio and Columbus later this afternoon and this evening. And it'll probably snow again until about midnight. Here's a larger view, that snow. We have all this moisture back here all the way down into Texas and New Mexico to go through as it lifts off towards the northeast before we dry out tonight. After that all moves through, then we dry out, and it looks dry for quite some time. Temperatures around the region, we got 48 in Charleston, but not too far away, 29 in Indianapolis. So right around in here is that cold front drawing southwest to northeast. And where it's colder, they're going to see snow. Where it's warmer, it'll be a rain for a little while before it changes over to some snow. Wind chills are even colder. Out ahead of the cold front, there ain't much wind to speak of. I mean, wind chills 43 in Charleston, that's not bad at all. Around our area, we're seeing wind chills of 30. But back here, Indianapolis, Chicago, 18 and 6 respectively. That's the kind of air we get into tonight. So I want to show you FutureCast to show you exactly when the snow will be around. So here's 5 o'clock this afternoon. So everyone's seeing some snow out there, heavier towards the south. 3 hours later at 8 o'clock, still seeing snow around central Ohio. Everyone's in on that. But again, it's heavier off to the south. 11 p.m., that snow slowly sags off towards the south and southeast. Columbus will see some light snow around this time. But again, the heavier snow, again, same old song and dance, is well off to the south. Then as we move towards after midnight, everyone is still seeing snow south of Columbus. It's starting to end from north to south. And ultimately what it's going to do, latest models, I think a swath of about 1 inch, maybe 2 in the gray, 1 to 3, maybe 4 in the southern portion of this purple shade, and down here in the pinkish red, 2 to 5 inches, and south of this dashed line, they could see up to a half a foot of snow, because to the south of Columbus is where the heaviest snow will be. So here's a summary of what I think for the remainder of today. 33 at 4, falling temperatures to 19 at 1 in the morning, snow likely throughout that entire period, ultimately falling to 12 degrees tonight. Snow likely about 1 to 3 inches in metro Columbus, turning significantly colder, and those winds will peak a little bit tonight, making wind chills around 0. Tomorrow, be the coldest day of the next 7, 18 degrees. It's looking pretty cloudy as well, so it's not going to be a nice day out there. Wind chills could probably flirt with the single digits near 0 all day long. And let's look at your Buckeye 5-day forecast. We dropped to -1 Thursday night. That's a frigid night, but not too bad after that. 26 and mostly sunny Friday. The sun will feel nice. 37 and 40 for this weekend with a decent amount of sunshine out there. 41 next Monday, just a little more cloud cover to speak of. So overall, a fantastic extended forecast. It's your Buckeye TV weather update. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.